Want to watch anime for free in 2025? Here's how to do it without breaking the bank. Step 1. First, check out legal, free streaming platforms like Crunchyroll, Funimation, and Tubi. They offer a wide range of anime with ads, but it's completely free to watch. Step 2. Take advantage of free trials from premium streaming services like Netflix or Hulu. You can watch a ton of anime during the trial period without paying a dime. Step 3. YouTube is another great place to find free anime. Many official channels post episodes, especially older shows or series that are no longer airing. Step 4. Don't forget about public domain options. Some older anime series are available for free through your local library or on sites like archive.org. Step 5. While it's tempting to visit illegal streaming sites, be cautious. They're not only risky for malware, but they also hurt the anime industry. Stick to legal sources to support creators. That's it. You can enjoy anime for free in 2025 with these options. Hit subscribe for more anime tips and tricks. And don't forget to comment for any other how-tos you may need.